Welcome to this guided meditation from Selfcare Karen. Today's meditation is about relaxation. It is designed to get you into the right headspace to sink deep into stillness. Sometimes we just need to be in the right place to allow our mind and our bodies to take a break. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Find somewhere where you are unlikely to be disturbed and just settle in. Slowly close your eyes and turn your attention to your breath. Just notice if your breath is deep or shallow, fast or slow. You are in perfect time. You are in the perfect moment to unwind, to relax, to decompress. This is where you are meant to be. Notice how your head is placed and think to relax every muscle in your face. Relax your jaw. Notice how your neck is feeling. Perhaps slowly and gently move your head from side to side to loosen your neck. See what feels good for you. Notice where your hands are. Place them on your lap. Relax them, finger by finger. Notice how your breath is. Are you taking deeper breaths now? Is your breathing more steady and slow? Notice what thoughts are coming to mind. Observe any thoughts in a neutral way, and just as soon as they have come to you, let them float away. There's plenty of time for your to-do list. Right now, being here, being present in this meditation, that is your action item. This meditation is your urgent and important task. Notice how your breath brings vitality and peace into your body. How you are breathing in life-giving energy and breathing out tension and stress. Notice how making you a priority feels good. Notice how your body is at peace from your head to your toes. Notice how your body and mind have relaxed. In just these few short moments, you have brought restoration to your body. Breathe in deeply. And as you breathe out, relax your shoulders down. Wiggle your fingers. Smile. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for letting Self-Care Karen into your life. For details about how you can get your free meditation script, look at the video description. Remember, you are in perfect time. Namaste.